Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. Our dresses. Let's start. Tick the clothes you wear in winter. तो आपके पास बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं like woolen cap, sweater, gloves, jacket, mufflers, socks, ये सारे हम winters में पहनते हैं. So we all wear clothes every day. Clothes are one of our basic needs. Just like food and shelter, clothes keep our body safe, clean and comfortable. They protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and dust. Clothes are also a way to express who we are, where we come from and what we do. So we have different kinds of clothes. In different seasons we wear different kinds of clothes. Let us learn more about different kinds of clothes we wear and how they are made. Unstitched and stitched clothes. So first of all, let's begin with unstitched clothes. Unstitched clothes are large pieces of fabric that are not sewn. People wear them by folding, wrapping or draping them around their body. These clothes are often worn in traditional ways and styles. Some examples of unstitched clothes are sari, worn by many women across India, dhoti, worn by men, especially in South India and eastern states, lungi, common in South India, turban or pagri worn on the head, especially by men in Punjab and Rajasthan. Unstitched यानी कि जो आपके सिंगल क्लॉथ होते हैं, सिले हुए नहीं होते हैं, उनको एज इट इज ही कई जगह पहना जाता है, जैसे साड़ी, धोती, टर्बन, ये सारे सिंगल पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ होते हैं अनस्टिच्ड. Unstitched clothes are often colorful and very graceful also. So now stitched clothes. Stitched clothes are made by cutting pieces of cloth and sewing them together. This is usually done with the help of a needle and thread or a sewing machine. Tailors stitch clothes in many styles and sizes. So stitched clothes होते हैं, ये तो आपके अलग अलग पैटर्न में आते हैं. सूट आप सिलवाते हैं, साड़ी के ब्लाउजेस आप सिलवाते हैं, पैंट, शर्ट्स, जैसा आप स्टाइल देते हैं उस स्टाइल में टेलर सिल देता है. So some example of stitched clothes are shirt, trousers, frock, skirt, kurta, salwar kameez and uniform. Stitched clothes fit well and are easy to wear. आसानी से आप पहन सकते हैं and they look clean also. Different kinds of dresses. People wear different types of dresses depending on weather, cotton in summer, woolen in winter, festivals and special occasions, work, uniforms for doctors, police, etc. and places like traditional clothes vary by region. Weather में आप अलग अलग, गर्मियों में अलग, सर्दियों में अलग, ओकेजन्स के हिसाब से बर्थडे पार्टी हो गई, शादी हो गई, आप अलग कपड़े पहनते हैं. देन आपके वर्क यूनिफॉर्म स्कूल की अलग है, पुलिस की अलग यूनिफॉर्म है, डॉक्टर्स की अलग यूनिफॉर्म है. एंड देन अलग अलग रीजन्स में अपने ट्रेडिशंस के हिसाब से जो वहाँ पे लोग होते हैं वैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं. Headgear and caps. In different parts of India, people wear different types of caps and headgears. Topi worn in many states like Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Pagri or turban worn in Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana. Gandhi cap popular in Maharashtra. Woolen caps used in cold places. So अलग अलग टाइप के हेडगेयर सर पे पहने जाते हैं. उत्तर प्रदेश जैसी जगहों पे टोपी पहनी जाती हैं. पगड़ी या टर्बन आपके पंजाब, राजस्थान जैसी जगह पे पहना जाता है. गांधी कैप महाराष्ट्र में बहुत फेमस है और वुलन कैप्स आपकी ठंडी जगहों पे पहनी जाती है. कॉस्ट्यूम्स ऑफ इंडिया. India is a land of many states and cultures, and people in each state wear different kinds of traditional clothes, and these are called costumes. अलग-अलग traditions इंडिया में हैं. हर एक रिलीजन के अपने पोशाक हैं, कपड़े हैं, जिसे हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं costumes. सलवार कमीज एंड कुर्ता पजामा पंजाब में पहना जाता है. साड़ी एंड धोती वेस्ट बंगाल में पहनी जाती है. साड़ी एंड वेष्टी तमिलनाडु में पहनी जाती है. चनिया चोली एंड केट्यू इज worn in Gujarat. Firan and woolen clothes are worn by Kashmir people. Ghagra choli and angrakha is worn by Rajasthan, and makhela chador dhoti kurta is worn in Assam. Decorating our clothes. Clothes can be plain or decorated. In India, people use many art forms to decorate clothes. These arts are done by hand or with the help of tools. They make the fabric colorful, beautiful and unique. इंडिया में अलग अलग तरीके से कपड़ों को डेकोरेट किया जाता है ताकि वो सुंदर और अट्रैक्टिव लगें. So first such method is dyeing. Dyeing means coloring the cloth using special dyes, natural or chemical. The cloth is dipped in dye and then dried. अब dyeing आपकी करी जाती है, कुछ कपड़ों को कलर कर दिया जाता है according to one's preferences, natural या chemical, कैसे भी dyes हो सकते हैं. Tie and dye. In this method, parts of the cloth are tied tightly and then dipped in dye. The tied parts stay white and the rest gets colored. It creates beautiful patterns. It is popular in Rajasthan and Gujarat. फिर tie and dye होता है, इसमें आपके कपड़े को एक certain way में wrap कर दिया जाता है, then randomly colors डाले जाते हैं उन areas में, then it is opened और आपका एक प्यारा सा pattern बन जाता है. Generally राजस्थान में ऐसे कपड़े पहने जाते हैं. Block printing. Wooden blocks with carved designs are dipped in color and pressed onto the cloth. It is like stamping patterns. Block printing is common in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. फिर blocks होते हैं, उसमें designs होते हैं, उनको paints में dip करा जाता है. उन paints को फिर blocks के साथ कपड़ों में उसकी stamping करी जाती है, just like stamping. ये आपका सबसे ज़्यादा मध्य प्रदेश और राजस्थान में famous है. Good to know. Block printing has been done in India for over 2000 years. The wooden blocks are handmade and passed down from generation to generation. 2000 साल से approximately इंडिया में ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग करी जा रही है. जनरेशन टू जनरेशन इन ब्लॉक्स को हैंडमेड बनाया जाता है. Kalamkari. This is a hand painted or block printed art from Andhra Pradesh. Artists use a pen like tool to draw on fabric. फिर कलमकारी है, ये आपके आंध्र प्रदेश में फेमस है. या तो ब्लॉक्स या फिर हैंड से इसको पेन को यूज करते हुए प्रिंट्स बनाए जाते हैं. And then embroidery. Embroidery is done by stitching colored threads onto fabric to make pretty designs. Sometimes small mirrors, beads or shiny threads are added. Embroidery is common in Punjab, Gujarat and उत्तर प्रदेश. फिर आपकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी करी जाती है यूजिंग कलरफुल थ्रेड्स. कपड़े पे इनको अलग अलग डिजाइंस दिए जाते हैं. दिस इज मोर फेमस इन पंजाब, गुजरात एंड उत्तर प्रदेश. Ikat. In this method, threads are dyed first and then woven into cloth. This creates lovely blurred designs on the fabric. It is popular in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. फिर इकत इसमें थ्रेड को ही डाई कर दिया जाता है अलग अलग कलर्स में, देन डिजाइंस बनाए जाते हैं, which is more famous in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Then comes batik. In this method, hot wax is used to make patterns on cloth. Then the cloth is dyed and the wax is removed to reveal the pattern. अब बटिक मेथड में वैक्स लगाया जाता है, हॉट वैक्स. उसके बाद उस वैक्स को रिमूव करके फिर कपड़े पे प्रिंट रिवील होता है. Now let's take a test. Match the following. Tie and dye. Tie and dye में आपका क्या होता है? Uses thread to tie cloth. Likewise, answer the rest of the points also. Let's revise. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and make us feel comfortable. Some clothes are stitched and some are unstitched. We wear different clothes for different seasons, work and festivals. India has many kinds of traditional dresses and headgears. There are many beautiful ways to decorate clothes like tie and dye, embroidery and block printing. फिर आपके अलग अलग पैटर्न्स हमने पढ़े, कपड़ों में आप किस तरीके से डिजाइन्स बनाते हैं. Practice time. Take the correct answer. Which of these is an unstitched piece of clothing? This is sari. Woolen clothes are worn during winter. Which headgear is worn in Punjab? Pagdi. Which art form uses hot wax to create designs? Batik. Right, true or false? Dhoti is a stitched cloth. False. A turban is worn on the head. True. Embroidery is done with colored threads. True. Block printing uses plastic stamps. False. Answer the following questions. Write the difference between stitched and unstitched clothes. What is the difference? Stitched clothes आपके सिले जाते हैं in certain patterns like shirts, patterns and uniforms. Unstitched clothes आपका single cloth होता है. Likewise, answer the rest of the questions also. Skills builder. Draw and color a traditional costume from any Indian state. Write 2 lines about it below your drawing. आप traditional costume draw करिए, color करिए किसी भी Indian state का and 2 lines उसके बारे में लिखिए. Write the names of 3 people in your house and what clothes they wear every day. Write what clothes they wear on special days. Pick any 3 people from your house. Regular days में कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं वो लिखिए और special days में कैसे कपड़े बदल लेते हैं वो देखिए. Life skill. We should respect the different clothes and cultures of people across India. We must understand that people dress differently based on their region, religion, climate and work. And that every dress has its own beauty and importance. तो अलग अलग कपड़ों की हमें respect करनी चाहिए. It belongs to certain traditions. They should be decent and that's enough. Otherwise, clothes के सिर्फ एक ही function होता है to cover your body and it's the only function. So respect every religion, respect every cloth type also, and because it has its own beauty and importance. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.